Hey everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney. There's Robbie, here he comes. He don't see me yet. I'm at Walmart in Georgia and they have a whole row of fireworks for New Year's Eve. Let me show you what they have. They have Hooties. I've never seen those before. Sparklers. Confetti Cannons. This one's $12. The Hooties are $12.97. Sparklers are $5. They have champagne and cannon pack for $19.97. Here's TNT funny string for $3. They have it in different colors, pink and blue. Here's jumbo rockets. You get 3 pieces for $5. And they have the backyard show. Fireworks. Uh-oh. My gimbal was kind of shaky. That one's $24.97. Got all kinds of stuff in there. There's more of it. Let's see. Down here they have glow fuse, the 3 emigos. They're $5. And here's the Dino Finale Fountain 4-pack, and this one is $34.97. I'm sorry. We have, this is a big pack. Hold on, it's really busy in here. I gotta back up. This one's $34.97. It has all kinds of stuff in it. Pyro fan, sparkling glory, color shock, sunshine. Go beyond, wartime. Alright, we have down here aerial fireworks, shoots up in the air. Bubba Boom, 25 awesome shots. And this one is, I already got this one, didn't I? $34.97. Let's see. Here's Blastzone. Did I get that one already? Patio Boom. Here's Patio Boom for $59.97. It says Patriot, not Patio, Patriot. It's got Enigma, Sky Strikes, Sun Rays, Desert Blitz, Little One, Pistol Pete, and over here, it's a lot of them. Let me show you how many. These are all Sky Blaster artillery shells. And you get 10 shots, reloadable shell kit, and this is $24.97. And here it is. This is the Walmart in Georgia.